How do you delete duplicate files on the iPad? So let me guide you through it. If this is your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one. So in order for the duplicate files to be deleted, we have to find them and locate them on the iPad. And it also might be like a photo or documents of different file types. But anyways, the first step would be to check out the settings, where you can find the general section and the storage situation. And usually you get some suggestions about this, like for example about the photos and videos. I can go there and I can literally find the duplicates right here. So you can see that I can merge all of the duplicates together, and this is literally the best thing, because if it applies to like the photos, then I can put it together like that using the built-in solution, so not even a third-party app is required for it. Okay, so if you mean something else, like not necessarily within the files, I mean the photos, you will most likely find it inside of the files browser. You can get there as such, and in order to find the duplicates, I think the best way would be to look up for a particular file format. So I'm going to go to the search. I am part of the local storage, and I would look up something like the PDF file. Not that the name contains the phrase PDF, but literally filter it by the PDF file type. And you can see that if I put it from the grid to the list view, I can see them sorted by the name. And that means that the similar things are put together, right? So you can see I have a couple of duplicates right there. So I can literally just hold down on it, click on delete, and that's how I can find the duplicate files, because, you know, again, it is sorted by the name and the same file type, so you can see the duplicates are going to be right next to each other. So this is personally how I like to do this. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope that I can help you out. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.